The development of the training program takes place in the project office by subject-oriented methodologists. The finished material is sent to a group of scriptwriters to write a script, which is then transferred to the film crew for video filming. Video filming takes place according to a pre-made plan, which includes a route, the main objects to visit, and interviews with people. After filming, the task is given to technical specialists. Video material containing sequence diagrams and tags for placing voice files is sent to editing for a group of programmers. After the specialists have completed the work, the technical department uploads the video scheme to the server, and the finished video dialogue is ready to be downloaded to users' devices. An interactive dialogue is a set of pre-recorded video fragments according to a script compiled in the project office. Intervals between fragments are windows for a reaction from the student. We recognize 3 elements of such reactions. The first element is a ready-made answer option. The second element is a line for entering text from the keyboard. And the third element is the student's voice message to the device's microphone. It is important to note that the second and third elements, the entered text and voice message, are intended only to enhance interactivity and are not taken into account by the program. Here is the first element of the reaction, the choice of a ready-made answer. The program captures and assigns a color tag to this choice and then activates the corresponding video fragment in which the teacher's reaction to this student's response is recorded in advance. A color tag is a label from the PAMA tricolor model. Green means correct, yellow the answer is inaccurate or incomplete, and red the answer is incorrect. Thus, the program recognizes the correct or incorrect answers and launches the programmed video file. This technology of the 3-color model allows you to complete homework in huge volumes with small resources in a short time. This work is done by escort teachers specializing in remote verification of independent works. These specialists do not explain or teach. Having the correct or recommended solutions in their hands, which is given by the project office, they look through the student's work and mark each assignment in one of 3 colors. Such work takes no more than 1 minute. One specialist is able to check about 300 assignments in 3 hours. When working 3 hours a day, there is a risk in a decrease of quality. So, to verify the work of 20,000 students, about 70 specialists will be required. This work does not require highly trained specialists. There is a technical possibility to make an appeal by using the name of the child listening to the lesson. Record each name in different annotations, in abbreviated and in full forms. Audio files already recorded by the actors and assigned to each specific name should be marked using one of the tags: questioning, surprise, exclamation, praise, reverie, hail, and greeting. With automatic placement in a place of a series of video files marked by the project office. To perform practical tasks in our application, there is an animation laboratory, objects, substances, and the ability to manipulate them. In the laboratory, there are objects for manipulation, such as vessels, test tubes, scales, chemicals for mixing, and weights. All of this can be moved, changed, and disassembled. Animated results of erroneous and successful actions, and the ability to pour another substance and its quantity into a test tube, change the object and its location, and change the angle of inclination or form polygons and plot a route. For those who did not understand, it was given the opportunity to leave a request for an explanation. First of all, another student will try to explain it to you. If that was not clear, then enter the online class and ask a question to the escort teacher. Such online class is activated every 15 minutes in the first half of the day. If this is not enough, then come to creative workshops and get support from the teacher at a face-to-face meeting. This is the purpose of the Faculty of Full-Time Support of Distance Learning. Additionally, it is possible to evaluate the flow of material and post your comment. Separately, there is a function that allows for an interactive dialogue to confirm the presence of blanks and materials at home for a practical task.